I forgot. In this series, what are we doing? What did we do?
Multiplying by 2.
Multiplying by 2. Each term is multiplied by 2. Like 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 2, 20, 20 times 2, 40, 40 times 2, 80.
80.
So here the fixed number is what?
160.
Fixed number is 2. Fixed number.
What's fixed number?
Fixed number means there is a fixed number 2 in with that we are multiplying. Okay. Look at there in the definition, as you can see, a sequence in which each term is found by multiplying a fixed number. Each term is found by a multiplying with a fixed number. Okay. Two term before is called a geometric sequence. So in a geometric sequence, there is a constant ratio between consecutive terms. What does it mean, a constant ratio? Can you see 10 and 5?
Yeah.
Do it. 10 divided by 5 is what?
2.
20 divided by 10.
We will do like that?
Listen to me. I'm telling you about the constant ratio. The constant ratio means you will take any two terms together, and when you will divide them, you will have the fixed value. Okay? Like 40 divided by 20.
2.
2. 80 divided by 40.
2.
2. So it means we call it, this is a constant ratio. Clear? Now look at here, as you can see here in this sequence, 3, then 3 times 3.
9.
9 times 3.
27.
27 times 3.
81.
81 times 3. 243.
240.
This is a geometric sequence and it has a constant ratio, like 9 divided by 3, it's 3. Or 27 divided by 9, it will be 3. Then 81 divided by 27, the constant ratio, it will be 3, 3, 3 for every two numbers. Clear about constant ratio?
Yeah.
Look at there are two things. First, the recursive formula for a geometric sequence, A1, if it will be written there A1, it means the first term. As you can see here, it's 3. So A1 will be 3. Okay? A1, 1 means the first term. Okay? The first term. AN is equal to AN minus 1. This dot means multiply R. R is what? It's a constant ratio. Where AN means is the nth term of a sequence and AN means is the term before AN and R is the constant ratio. Look at here for a geometric sequence above, A1, here in this one, A1, the first term is 3. Okay, and AN, what you will do, recursive formula. Why did they write here 3? What does it mean?
3 multiply A.
From where did they get this 3? This is constant
from
ratio.
a sequence.
This is constant ratio, this one, 3. Okay.
Okay.
You will have series, and then from series you will divide the first two terms. You will have this constant ratio. Okay. We will first let's solve some questions, then we will study the other formula. Find the given first 4 terms for each geometric sequence as defined by the given recursive formula. Look at there, as you can see here, in first example, A1 is true. Okay, and AN, you will find the other terms. How will you find it? Here R is the constant ratio, they gave it to you. You will multiply with AN minus 1. Okay, means the first term. Let me do it. Let me share with you whiteboard. I will explain you here.
It's easy.
Sorry?
It's easy.
Easy, I know, but some students are new in this lesson, so let me explain. A1 is equal to 2. Can
أولهم
you see
كابتن
this one?
سامي.
I'm solving example first for you. An is equal to, you have formula 3 multiplied by an minus 1. Now you need to find 2, the second term. How will you find it?
We put 2 first, then multiply it by 3.
A2 and then 3 multiplied it by what? With the first term. What is it?
2.
Then 3 times 2?
6.
6. Very good. Now you want to find A3. What you will do? You will write here
Multiply
the
it with 6.
NA3. You will multiply 3 with what? With 2
With
or with 6
6.
now?
6.
With 6 now. Because A3 you will multiply the term before it. The before it A2. A2 is 6. Then 3 times 6 times 3, that is 18. Okay. Now if you want to find A4, how will you do it? 3 multiplied with what? 18 or 6 or 2?
18.
18. The term before A4. Before A4, it's A3. A3 is 18. So 18 times 3 is what? 18 times 3 is what?
18 to 54.
54. Okay. This is how will you solve. Now we will solve the next question and we will try to find the answer. Question number 2.
3, 6, 12, 24 finished.
Wait. How did we find it?
Easy.
A1 is 3 and we have formula. Formula is An is equal to, you will multiply with 2 and the term before that, An minus 1. Okay, so you want to find A2, the second term. You will multiply 2 with the first term. What is the first term? That is 3.
Mister, I don't understand.
Sorry?
I don't understand.
Listen to me. Faisal, check the question in the book.
Page what?
You didn't open the book, so that is the problem. Page is 337.
الو يا عيال وش فيكم؟
الو
واحد حول كابتن سامي وواحد ابو قاسم وما اعرف.
Don't talk in Arabic, Mazen.
اوكي.
I'm recording it.
the names for Faisal and Muhammad.
I'm recording it all and I will post it.
No.
No, صلي على النبي.
So don't say anything. I told you I'm recording this.
You didn't.
Now I told you, so be careful.
طلع.
Listen to me.
اوكي.
Faisal, where is he?
كابتن سامي.
Hi.
Okay.
I am here. Captain Sam is here.
Faisal, can you see this one? Question number 2.
Yes.
The first term A1 is 3. We will find A2, A3, A4, A5 means next term. A2 means the second term, then the third, then the fourth, and then the fifth term. Okay? We will use this formula. What does it mean?
This is a formula.
Sorry?
This is the formula.
Yes, this is a formula to find the next term. Okay? Like here, this one, An is equal to 2 times An minus 1. N means if you want to find the nth term. Nth term, it can be any term. Like N means we say the second term, A2. Okay? I will show you on a board. Look at it. This is An is equal to 2 times An minus 1. So we are finding the second term. I will put n is 2. The second term a2. We have 2 in the formula. 2 times the first term a1. What is a1 given to you up there? This 3. So you will multiply 3 times 2, 6. Then a3, how will you find it? You will multiply, you will write 2 times the term in a2, that is 6. 6 times 2, it's 12. And then a4, how will you do it? 2 multiply 12, that is 24. Okay, so you can write there.
You write all of this in one answer.
Yes, in one answer.
Okay, teacher. Okay, خلاص.
Wait, let me write here.
And I want question number
The first
4.
one is 3,
How
and
can you
then
write?
6, and then 12, and then 24. It's and so on.
Can you solve question number 4?
They said that first 4 terms. So these are the first 4 terms. Let's do question number 5.
No, in fraction.
In fraction, okay. Question number 4. Is it okay?
Okay.
Or question 3?
That's all.
Okay. Just one. I will not solve the 2 because I don't have time.
Okay,
You will have
question
to
number
do.
4.
Question number 4, okay. What is question number 4? A1 is what? The first term.
A1 is equal to 3.
A1 is equal to 3. And what is the formula?
AN is equal to
AN
1 over
is
3
equal to 1 over 3. You will multiply with 1
by
over 3 and by the term before it, AN minus 1.
1.
So we need to find A2 now, the second term. Okay, 1 over 3 you will write as it is.
Yeah.
1 over 3 and multiply. Which term is you are finding?
2.
The second term. Okay, so what is the first term?
3.
3. You will multiply with 3.
You cancel 3 with 3, the answer will be 1.
Yes, you can cancel this 3 with 3. The answer will be
Equal
1. Now we need to find A3, the second term. 1 over 3 you will write as the same and you will multiply it. The term before A3, what is it?
2.
A2.
1.
A2, which is 1.
1. Cancel 1 with 1.
And why cancel?
3.
Multiply. 1 over 1. 1 over 3 times 1, it will be the same, 1 over 3.
No.
Now, A4, how will you find it?
I multiply.
1 over 3
The same
from the
thing.
formula.
Yeah, multiply
And then
with 1 over 3.
multiply the term before A4, which is A3. So that is 1 over 3.
Multiply them, the answer will be
1 over?
1 over 6.
How 1 over 6?
9.
1 over 9. So what are first 4 terms? 3, 1, 1 over 3, and
Still
1 over
1.
9. Okay? So you can write it.
They are 3, not 4.
Let me write here. I will then see. 3, first term, then 1, and then next is 1 over 3. I write it 1 over 3 like this. And then next fourth term, 1 over 9. These are first 4 terms. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, which question should I solve? Tell me quickly.
5.
Why
5 then 9.
Okay, 5.
No.
Like, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yahya, can you write or no? Do you have option to write?
I don't know.
Okay,
no.
Mazin, can you write?
But if I make share screen, I can run.
Yeah.
Do I make?
Okay. Yes, make share screen and then write
Okay,
it.
can you stop your share screen because I can't make share screen.
Okay, stop share
Okay, I will do it now.
and try to solve question. Question number,
Like this.
yes, like this. Now solve question number 5.
From where did you bring word?
No, not word, Maz. Make.
No.
Not
Make,
word, it's a share screen now, option to you. You have.
Okay, حلو.
Okay. Next one, do it quickly. Question, solve this question. A1 is what? A1 is equal to 8.
So I write A1 equals 3.
Okay. No, you cannot. It's a square. Just check the setting.
Okay. Here is a text, you want?
Not text, a line. Line. Take a line.
Like this?
No, not text. Line. There will be an option of line. Yes, this one. Or remove it and then solve it. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now solve. The first term is what? A1 is what? A1 is 8.
Wait, I have it. My
Stop sharing.
My
Let
computer
me
is
solve.
touch.
Me, I can solve it.
A equal 8.
Stop sharing. I cannot edit it. Stop sharing your screen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me solve. Look at there. A1, which is equals to 8, and the formula we have an is equals to 0.5, then multiply this with the term before it, an minus 1. You need to find a2. A2 is what? 0.5 multiply this, the term before A2. What is it? That is A1 and 8. So 8 multiply with half. What will be the answer?
4.
4. Very good. A2. And now we'll find A3. A3 is 0.5 and times the term before A3, which is 4, A2. So what is the half of 4? Half times 4?
2.
Very good. Then A4,
1.
which will be equals to 0.1 times, sorry, 0.5 times 2, which will be equals to 1. What is the answer? 8, 4, 2, and 1. These are first 4 terms. Write it.
So we write 8, 4, 2, 1. Right?
Yes. You will write here 8, 4, 2, and 1. These are first 4 terms. Like this, you can solve other questions. Okay?
Yes.
Or now question number 9. Should I solve it?
Okay.
Then after this, we will solve next more questions down. Okay. A1 is what? A1 is -8, and you have formula an, which is equals to -7. You will multiply with -7 the term before it, an minus 1. Okay, so you need to find now a2. What you will do, in the formula we have -7, and you will multiply this, the term before it, which is
Negative.
8. 7 times 8.
7 times 8, 56, negative. لا,
56.
positive.
Negative or positive?
Because
Both
Positive,
negative,
positive.
so it will be positive. Very good. Now A3. What will it be? Tell
7
me.
multiplied 56. Negative 7.
Multiply
times
56.
56.
56. The answer will be negative or positive?
Negative.
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 So 56
300.
times
392.
392. Very good. A4, the fourth term, you will multiply -7 with -392.
92.
So it will be negative or positive?
No,
And what will be the answer?
It will be 2744.
2744.
2744. So you can write these first four terms in question number 9.
9.
First is -8, and then it was 56, and then -300 what? 92, and then it was 2744. These are first four terms. Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah.
You can solve now like this. Look at there is another formula, explicit formula for a geometric sequence. This formula, as you know, that an means nth term, which is equals to a1. A1 is the first term, and then r means ratio, then n minus 1 order of nth term. For a geometric sequence above, here, as you can see, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. For this geometric sequence, what is the explicit formula? An is equals to this 3. 3 is what? The first term. Then multiply this with this 3. What is this 3? This is the ratio. Like 9 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3, and then n minus 1. Okay. Here both are 3 and 3. The value of 3 here is 1. You will add them. Let's solve some questions, then you will understand.
Okay.
Look at there. We need to find the explicit formula. A1 is equal to 4. Next term is 4 times the first term. Sorry, the ratio. The ratio is 3, which is given to you. 3 times 3 powers 1. 3 power 1. 4 times 3. What will be the answer? 12. What you will do here? 4 times 3. How many times is this?
12.
In this, the third term, how many times 3 is there? 1 times or 2 times?
2.
2 times. So you will put
The
the
answer will be
value.
144.
No, listen. You will put
What?
the value up there. Let me write it. 2.
2
And
square. 3 square.
yes, 2 square. Oh, sorry, 3 square. Okay, because there are 3 2 times. So multiply 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3. That is 36.
36.
Okay. Next term, it will be 4 multiply
36.
3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now 3 will be 3 times. Then you can do 4 and then times or dot. Okay, 3 and its power will be what?
3. 3.
3 power 3, because 3 is 3
Actually,
times.
it
3
will
powers.
be
So what will be the answer? 36 times 3.
Wait.
No, not 36 times 3. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. And then 36 times
The answer will be 108.
108. Next here, 4 times. 4 will be how many times?
4.
Oh, sorry, 3 will be how many times? 4 times.
4 times. The 5 times. 5 times.
Why 5 times? Up there was the 3 times. Now here 4 times. So it will be 4 times 3, and its power will be 4. So the answer, find the answer and tell me quickly.
324.
324. Very good. This is the right answer. Yahya, tell me what to write down there.
Mister, but I have a problem with this. I'm
With
like
what?
trying to understand it.
Which
How
one?
can we know how many terms though?
Listen to me. This is a series. Series means we will increase one in each term, one time.
Mhm.
Okay. Here 4. Then the next
So
term.
it will be now 4 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
How many
4
times?
times 3 power 5.
Yes. Very good.
The answer will be 972.
Do it quickly. We have 10 minutes. 3
I finished. I'm in the next page.
times 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3. Then it will be 4 times 3 and power will be what?
5.
5. Very good. And what will be the answer? Answer
Okay, sorry.
972.
972.
سألك
Yahya, Yahya.
Yeah.
Look at here. The second term, 2. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
It is 4 times 3 power 1. 1 means the term before 2, that is first. Okay?
Mhm. Yeah.
If it is the third term, the power is 2, means 1 less. If it is the fourth term, the power is 3, means 1 less. If it is the fifth term, the power is 4. If it is the sixth term, the power is 5, means
Yeah.
always 1 less. So if you want to make a general formula, you can write A and you can write N, okay, equals to, you can write 4 for this. I'm writing 4 multiply with 3, okay, and if n is 2, it will be 2 minus 1, means n minus 1, n minus 1. You can make this formula general, okay. Same like this, we will solve another
Just a
question.
question.
Write a recursive formula for the given geometric sequence. What you will do, first of all, R, you need to find R. R means ratio. Right here, R. How will you find it? 4 divided by 1. Divide first two terms. 4
4
divided by 1. What
equal
will
4.
it be? 4. Okay. Now A1. What is A1? The first term.
1.
A1 is equal to 1. Let me write here 1.
1. Then an equal to 3. 4 multiply
An
an minus 1.
will be, what will it be? 4 multiply 4 is what? 4 is
4
R.
r
Okay.
multiply a n
A
negative 1.
n minus 1. I will write here like this, n a n.
يا ويلي ويلي بالفراكشن.
Very good. And then you can write n minus 1. N minus 1. Here is it. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now tell me, we will solve question number 15. What is R?
14,
Find the ratio.
14. R is the 9 divided by 3.
R is equals to 9 divided by 3 or 3 divided by 9?
3 divided by 9.
Very good, Yahya. 3 divided by 9, which is equals to 1 over 3. So how can you write A1 is for the first term is 9. And then AN, how will you write the formula, Mazin?
an equal to 3 minus
No, what is R? 1 over 3.
1
R is 1/3. Multiply this.
A
And
n minus 1.
n minus 1. I'll write here an with this and n minus 1. Okay.
Yeah.
How will you make the formula? Just only you need to find R and then you can write it the first term. Then an is equal to R times an minus 1. Yeah, is it clear? Yeah,
Yeah.
solve question number 16. Tell me, what is R?
Half.
What is half? Okay, tell me
But
R in question
understand.
number 16.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Divided by 2.
4 divided by 2, what will it be?
2.
2.
It will be 2. Then A1, Yahya, tell me the first term.
1 is 4.
The first term in question number
Yeah.
16, which
2.
is 8.
Yeah. Oh, 16. Yeah. Yeah.
Now, how will you write formula? Yahya, tell me.
The formula. A1.
Sorry, an, not 1.
Oh, you mean the... I'm writing it from the first.
Okay.
An equals 2
An is equals to, very good, 2 times
2 times
n minus 1.
n minus 1.
Clear?
Yeah.
So like this, you can solve all these questions. Next, question number 21. Look at there. Write an explicit formula for the given geometric sequence. We will write the explicit formula. A1 is what? Write the first term. A1 is 4. Okay. And find R. What is R? How will you divide it? How will you find it?
Divided by 24. 4 divided 24.
24 divided by 4.
Yeah.
24 divided by 4. What is it?
4. 6.
6. So how will you write the formula?
An
An
is equal to 4 multiply
An
6.
is equals to
4
4
multiply 6.
4 times 6
N minus 1.
n minus 1. Here you can write n means an, and 6 power you can write n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, listen to me, solve these questions and send me your work. Okay? See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.